On April 26, 2017 at 8:30 a.m., West Burnett was abducted from Los Angeles, California. West Burnett is a 6-year-old white male, 3 foot 5 inches tall, weighing 45 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. The suspect, Nishia Burnett Hare, is a 35-year-old white female, standing 5 foot 4 inches tall, weighing 115 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2004 gold BMW 530i with a California license plate number 6WAT644. If seen, call 911.